Matariki, the medicine woman. Rehua, the healer, were lovers. Their love birthed forth 8 star children, known as the Kahui Matariki. Is the eldest child who guides our loved ones across the night sky. She is connected to flowers that bloom during summer. Pōhutukawa. Mauri amai,
Mauri amai,
te
aroha, kia koe.
Tupuanuku governs over food that grows beneath the earth. She signals the bounty of the year's crops, like the kumara.
Tipitei, yaro moromo hoatuko. Lo timo ko, ketu, tipitei, yeah.
guides our food sources from the sky and trees. When he shines brightly, these food sources will be plentiful. While her brother, Waita, watches over the ocean. Together, they balance the waters of the earth and the life forces found within.
Kei hea tuna, kei hea tuna, hei roto I te ngā whā, hei roto I te ngā whā. Kei hea tuna, hei hea tuna, hei roto te utuhina, roto te utuhina. Kei hea tuna, hei hea tuna, hei roto I tō puke.
Waipunarangi brings the rain, nurturing the earth and our crops. Her rise signals renewal, washing away that which no longer serves. Guides the winds. His breath moves through the world, reminding us of the ever-changing nature of life. The youngest star of the kahui is Hiwaiderangi. Connected to our dreams and aspirations, she whispers of hope, reminding us to chase our highest visions with courage, passion, and purpose. Matariki te whetū hei arataki e atutuki noa ki te mutunga. Matariki, mother of the kahui, shines as a beacon of well-being and new beginnings. With her light, we find hope and strength to nurture ourselves and each other during the year ahead.
Matariki. Mahama Matia a Matariki.
That's it. Wow. Stunning.
Mana watia a Matariki. Nei rā te mihi ki a koutou katoa. Be safe driving home. Take your time. There will be congestion on our roads. Thankfully tonight we don't have any missing children or parents.